In this video, I am going to solve for m in the given equation. Please note that this exponent 1/4 is actually a radical which is the fourth root, because remember the definition, nth root of a number a is a to the power 1 over n. So I could, using this definition, I could simplify this equation and rewrite it as fourth root of m minus 15 minus 1 is equal to 0. You don't have to do it, but it's kind of nice to see it this way. That kind of makes more sense. Now I'm gonna have to solve for m, so I'm just gonna move the constant to the right by adding 1 to both sides. So that's gonna give me on the left just fourth root of m minus 15. This positive 1, negative 1 cancel out, and on the right hand side 1 plus 0 is just 1. Now to get rid of the fourth root, I just need to raise the power to both sides to 1, right? I mean 4. So 4 and fourth root are going to cancel out. That's going to give me m minus 15 is equal to 1 to the power 4 is just 1. Then I add 15 to both sides. That gives me m on the left hand side, because positive 15, negative 15 cancel out, and on the right hand side 1 plus 15 is 16. So I am claiming that this is my solution. As usual, we just need to plug it back into the equation and check to make sure that both sides evaluate to the same value. On the right hand side we have 0, so our goal would be to plug in the value and see whether we get 0 on the left hand side. Now let me just plug in the value. So m is actually 16. That's what we got. 16 minus 15 to the power 1/4 minus 1. So 16 minus 15 is 1. 1 to the power 1/4 minus 1. For our calculation and for simplicity, we are going to assume that fourth root, so this is the fourth root of 1. 1 to the power 1/4 is fourth root of 1, which we are going to just assume 1. We are going to stick to real solutions, meaning real valued solutions, solutions that are coming from the familiar number line. So fourth root of 1 is just 1, then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is exactly what we have got on the right hand side. So this does in fact satisfy this equation. So that means m is equal to 16 is a solution to this given equation, even though this may not be the only solution, so keep that in mind. But for our purpose, we are dealing with real numbers, meaning that the numbers that are coming from the number line, and this solution is an acceptable one. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.